I'm bugging you out.
Don't do anything yet. Don't.
1 minute 30 seconds.
It's actually 100 now.
100? Oh, really?
Don't touch anything, Kelly. Don't.
It's 102. Okay, am I doing 150?
Okay, Kelly, wait.
Get that right now.
Wait, Kelly, wait. Don't do anything yet. Not yet.
Should I type
Not
it?
yet. Not yet. Type it, but don't hit it.
Okay,
yet.
typed it. Tell me when to put place bid.
I will. Just wait. Breathe, Kelly. Breathe.
What am I here?
Not yet, okay? Not yet, okay? Not yet. Not yet. Wait a little bit. Now.
Go. My computer's being slow.
It's because people are bidding.
Really?
Probably.
I clicked place bid.
Is it not going?
Wait, okay, your maximum bid 150. Okay. Current bid is 110.
Alright.
Okay.
Should I change it to higher than 150?
No, keep it.
Fine. Don't touch anything, Kelly. Don't touch anything. Just don't touch anything.
25 seconds left. It says 116. I should have only done 138 then.
Kelly,
It's
but
okay.
you had to get this dress.
Kelly, don't say anything. Don't
What's it up to now?
135. Don't say anything.
Oh my god. Refresh me. I don't know where it'll tell you. Oh my god.